We're about to kick off the ultimate Disney World travel day with a huge surprise.
Our boys have no idea, but we're spending Christmas at the most magical place on earth.
We are so excited to be spending Christmas in Disney World with you.
But right now, we have to get to bed because it is super late and we have an incredibly early morning.
I mean, I already got sugar plum stains in my head. Good morning, everyone. How are we feeling? How are we doing?
I'm so tired. It is so early. I'm pretty sure I got maybe 3 hours of sleep, and like if that, because I was worried about the alarm oversleeping. But I am so ready to be back in Disney World despite how tired I am. Let's go wake up the boys. Do you guys want to go to Disney World right now? Then let's go. Should we go spend our Christmas with Mickey Mouse?
Yes, let's go!
We are officially back in the Disney World bubble. We are checking out a new resort today, but for now we are gonna go in and we are gonna check out the Grand Casino Tower. We are so excited. We have never stayed here before and I have heard amazing things, so I can't wait to go check it out. That lobby is stunning. I am obsessed and I cannot wait to check out Barcelona Lounge later. So we did a mobile check-in a week ago, but our room is not quite ready yet. So we just dropped our bags off at Bell Services and we're just gonna explore the resort. One of the biggest things I feel like they're doing on travel day is so important is to get your bearings straight. And so that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna explore the grounds while we wait for our rooms ready and see what all this resort has to offer.
Big open space, just come out here and just eat, maybe a little picnic. I know the restaurants are over in this area, I think. Just bring it right back out here and sit.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's
Beautiful. Beautiful views, beautiful scenery.
Look at this.
All the mosaic tile pieces here. How
Just
beautiful
the
detail
detail.
is.
We haven't been here for very long, and we already can just tell the details in this resort. Nothing was left unturned.
This is just so tranquil. I mean, I could really just see myself going to Barcelona Lounge, getting a cocktail, bringing it out here, and just sitting out here in a pleasant evening, just enjoying a drink, and just, you know, the water. It's so beautiful out here, so peaceful.
All right, so we're having a blast enjoying these beautiful grounds, but I actually just got a notification through the My Disney Experience app that our room is actually ready. So we're gonna head upstairs and we're gonna go check that out and do a quick little tour.
Our full tour is going to be in a separate video, so be sure to head into our channel and check out for all the full details.
Hey guys, I just got a notification our room's ready. Come on, let's go. 2:15 Central Time. It has been an amazing day, but it has been such a long day. We're having a blast exploring Coronado Springs Grand Casino Tower, but I think we're gonna have to start closing this video up. Be sure to head over to our channel and check out our full resort overview of Coronado Springs Grand Casino Tower. And for this trip, we're doing a special Christmas Day vlog at the Magic Kingdom.
We cannot wait to celebrate with you. And while you're over there, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. We won't miss a thing.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye guys.